Alright guys, here in the shop we have a 70 something model Montgomery Ward that we are trying to restore. We are fixing to give her a little drink and see if we can get her to bust off, and hopefully it'll run pretty good. Who knows, it may not. But we've got everything freed up, got it to where it hit wheel crank now. So just hold tight guys, and here we go. We're gonna give her a little shot and see what she does. Alright guys, it is time to see what Grandma decides she wants to do here. She will fire up and run. So we're just trying to get this thing restored. Make sure it runs first. Have to do some cleaning up on the motor and clean the carburetor up. Probably go ahead and change the head gasket and maybe intake gasket. Make sure all that's good. I'm probably going to change the valve springs and the valves, maybe change the cam. Just to beef it up a little, make it sound a little better. It's antique. And I'm doing it for my uncle and I want him to be happy with it. So anyway guys, there it is. So, Wayne, here's the deal. This is going to be going to the Farm Expo with us. It's still in progress right now. I have to get the wheels off, redo the wheels. I just put the front end back under it. I've had that all apart. I've got the hood back here. The hood is almost ready to paint. Few more little imperfections, but not nothing major. Get it sanded down and prepped and spray the paint on that, and we'll start putting things back together. The dash, the fenders, all that stuff's done. I like to get the main part of the mower done, and then I'll do the deck. So far I have about probably about 32, 34 hours in this so far. But it's coming along. It's looking really good. And I've got it now where it'll steer. I can move it around. When I dropped it in, it wouldn't roll, it wouldn't steer, it wouldn't do any of that. So, anyway guys, hold tight. We're working on this, and I'm trying to get pictures and videos of it all. The engine's still at the machine shop. Probably won't have that till Friday, and hopefully it'll be done Friday. If not before then, who knows? I mean, if something comes in more important, he'll put me on hold. But anyway guys, I'm trying to get all this that I can. I know it ain't excavation, but I told you all that I'll be doing stuff like this, and I hope you enjoy it. So, thanks for watching, and we'll be back with more. You can hear it pretty good. She sounds pretty mean. Alright, Weenie, so this is 1975 Montgomery Ward. It is a 8 horsepower, 30-inch cut. It's electric start. You got the brake on this side. You got the clutch over here on this side. And you've got forward and reverse in your throttle. And these are unique. You won't find very many of these. You don't see them on the line. I went through a lot to try to get the original color. This was as close as we could get. In some light, you look at it, it looks almost red. The other lights, it looks orange. And it took me 4 times to get the hood done the way it was supposed to be right here. And done a few little things that was a little different to it. The seat we're gonna have recovered. We haven't done that. We're just trying to get it done for the Farm Expo. And we done this to the wheels on the front and the back, so that just something to break it up, make it look a little different. And I'll show you the engine. The engine, that is 8 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. It has the fuel tank, the oil, you have the breather there. And we have had this engine to the machine shop and had it worked on a little bit. It has a little bigger cam from dyno cams, I think is what it is. Got bigger valves and springs. They shaved the eyebrows. The head's been worked on. We just built this mostly for show, guys, is what this is mainly for. And I tried to get you a video of the whole build and pictures and stuff so everybody could see what all it entailed. We had this thing stripped down to pretty much nothing. It's all original. The only thing missing, as far as I know, is the deck chute, the little flap. That's the only thing that's missing. Other than that, it's all original. It's not missing any parts. Just that deck chute is the only thing that's missing. It still has the original tires on it. This is original, the carburetor and the motor and everything. The carburetor, we just cleaned it up real good and rebuilt it, went through it and put it back on, and it turned out to look pretty nice, guys. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and keep on cranking. We'll catch you on the next one, Weenies.